Hello friends, welcome back to Something of Everything. In this video, I'll show you how to convert AutoCAD DWG file to PDF or save any CAD file or CAD drawing to PDF. To do that, just open the CAD file that you want to open, that you want to convert to PDF. I'm using this CAD instead of AutoCAD. Every CAD software works the same. Once the file is open, just press Ctrl P to plot the file, or go to the application menu, go to plot and press plot. It will open the same dialog box. In the printer, select DWG to PDF. DWG to PDF. P6. In the paper size, select the paper that you want to get the print in. In the what to plot, select the window and select the area of the drawing that you want to plot. In the plot style, you can select none or the CTB that you have. You can create fit to paper or one to one. Click on preview. It will show you the plot preview. Right click and press the plot button. It will ask you to save location for the same. Change the name and press save. Once the drawing is saved, you can open it from the location that you have saved it. Double click on it and the PDF file will be seen of the drawing area that you have plotted. This way you can create the PDF file from any drawing file in computer. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.